Welcome to Tropical Shores Adventures, your go-to spot for everything Caribbean and beach-related. Join us as we explore vibrant cultures, stunning beaches, and unforgettable tropical adventures. In the heart of the Caribbean, there's an island most people have never heard of. Overshadowed by tourist hotspots and luxury resorts, this hidden paradise has remained untouched, preserved by locals who value peace over profit. But the story of how this island was forgotten makes it even more fascinating. Once upon a time, cruise ships docked here regularly. The island was buzzing with visitors, shops, and music spilling into the streets. But then a major storm hit, devastating the coastline and leaving behind wreckage that drove the cruise industry elsewhere. Tourists never returned, assuming the island was lost to history. But here's the twist. While the world moved on, the locals rebuilt quietly, not into a resort capital, but into a sanctuary. The beaches healed, coral reefs flourished again, and the community embraced eco-conscious living. What outsiders saw as abandonment, the islanders saw as freedom. They reclaimed their paradise. Today, if you step onto its white sands, you won't find crowded souvenir stalls or endless lines of beach chairs. Instead, you'll find fishermen mending their nets, children laughing in the surf, and sea turtles nesting where hotel towers might have stood. It's an island where time slows down and the Caribbean feels raw, real, and alive. Stories like this remind us that paradise isn't always about what's marketed on glossy travel brochures. Sometimes the most beautiful places are the ones left off the map, preserved not by design, but by circumstance. If this glimpse into hidden Caribbean life inspired you, subscribe to Tropical Shores Adventures for more stories of secret beaches, island culture, and breathtaking escapes. Like this video if you believe paradise should be protected, and share it with a friend who dreams of exploring the road less traveled. Tell us in the comments, what's your idea of a true untouched paradise?